Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because their systems are broken. If you want real change, you need better tools. In this video, you'll discover apps that will improve your daily life by helping you manage time, focus better, and work smarter using technology and AI. Let's begin. App 1. Notion. Notion is more than a notes app. It's a personal operating system for your life. You can organize goals, finances, habits, content plans, and side hustles in one place. Instead of relying on memory, Notion becomes your external brain. When everything is organized, stress goes down and clarity goes up. App 2. Todoist. Todoist solves a simple problem. If a task isn't written down, it keeps distracting your mind. Todoist lets you capture tasks instantly. You stop thinking about what to do and start executing. Your mind stays clear, and productivity increases naturally. App 3. Forest helps you beat phone addiction. When you focus, a tree grows. If you leave your phone, the tree dies. This simple system rewires your brain to value focus. Small focus sessions add up to massive results. App 4. Google Keep. Google Keep is built for speed. Ideas appear randomly, and if you don't capture them, they disappear. With one tap, you can save notes, voice ideas, or reminders. Nothing important gets lost. App 5. Canva. Canva proves that design is no longer a skill. It's a system. With ready-made templates, anyone can create professional designs in minutes. Thumbnails, social posts, presentations, all without experience. App 6. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your thinking accelerator. It helps you write, learn, plan, and solve problems faster. Instead of spending hours searching, you get instant clarity. Used correctly, this tool saves time and boosts creativity. App 7. Motion. Motion is where productivity changes completely. This app uses AI to plan your entire day. You enter your tasks, and Motion schedules them automatically. When plans change, the schedule adapts. No guessing. No overwhelm. Just execution. Your daily life doesn't improve by working harder. It improves when your tools work smarter than you do. These apps aren't distractions. They're systems for success. Subscribe for more videos about money, tech tools, AI, productivity, and side hustles.